How to make ridge gourd and bat recipe. Prep time, 41-50 minutes. Cook time, 11-15 minutes. Serve, 4. Level of cooking, easy. Ingredients for ridge gourd and bat. 1 ridge gourd, tarai, peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces 500 grams. 2 fresh coconuts scraped ½ cup. 3 dried red chilies 3-4. 4 split pigeon peas, tuva dal, soaked and pressure cooked with 1/4 teaspoon turmeric ½ cup. 5 salt to taste. 6 kokum petals 4-5. 7 turtle soaked 10-12. 8 coconut oil 1 tablespoon. Method. Step 1. Grind coconut and the dried chilies to a fine paste with sufficient water. Step 2. Heat a non-stick pan. Add the gourd, cooked dal. Add ½ cup water, cover and cook till the ridge gourd is tender. Step 3. Add salt and add the ground mixture and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Add turtle to the gravy. Add the kokum petals and mix well. Step 5. Drizzle coconut oil and mix well. Lower the heat and cook for 2 minutes. Step 6. Serve hot.